Hello everybody, welcome to Gaming Archives. Today we are going to learn how to speed up the boot time on our Windows. If you are the person that always get to turn on your computer and is always slow in order to turn on, this is the best video for you. So we are going to do this with three easy steps. So the first one is that you have to come here to your task settings, click the right click in your mouse and go to Task Manager here. So once you go to Task Manager, the Task Manager is gonna show like this. So you have to click More Details. Once you click More Details, you will see something that says Startup. Startup. Okay, so these are the programs that turn on once you turn on your computer. So as you can see here, the startup impact, it will say high in some of them. So what you have to do is to turn on those process. So it's very easy. You just have to click in the program and click disable. So it's gonna turn on disable once you click this option. So we will turn on those programs that are high impact in our computers. So once you finish, you just have to close the task manager. So the second step is that you have to type here in the search bar. We will type ms config. Okay, you will see something that says System Configuration App. We will open this program. Okay, and we will go to the part that says Boot. Here, the second page. Now, we will click the option that says Advanced Options. And here, where it says Number of Processors, you will click there. And then you will select all your processors. In my case, I have 24. So once you do that, click OK. And this basically what it does is that it's going to use the performance on your processor in order to turn on your computer or Windows. So it's gonna be faster by that way. So the last step is in these same configurations, we will go to services and we are going to click the option that says hide all Microsoft services. Once you click that, you will see all the services that are not related to your Windows. So this also impacts your performance once you turn on your computer. So you will deactivate or disable those options. Okay, now we are done. You just have to click apply and OK. So the program is going to ask you to restart your computer. You will restart and you will see the difference once the Windows is turning on. So I won't restart my computer right now, but you will see the impact. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. Thanks for watching.